Hello, I'm Jeff Fritz. It's Thursday, August 16th, and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. If the euro-dollar holds above support S1 and daily pivot, we can expect consolidation will continue. But a fall below support will be indicating next objective at S2, where a bottom will probably be formed, and rebound. Also, rebound from first support and sustained rise above daily pivot will confirm targeting at R1 resistance. A bearish trend today. The dollar-yen has reached R1 and we can expect a break above this level, and sustained rise will focus on R2 resistance, where this rise could be limited. Also, rise will be in favor as long as price holds above daily pivot. A bullish trend is expected. The sterling dollar has declined below daily pivot and is now heading towards S1, where price could rebound with lateral move to continue. But further decline will confirm next objective at S2 support. Rise will be confirmed after price breaks above R1 resistance. We assume a bearish trend. Finally, the dollar franc will retest R1 resistance and then focus on next target at R2. But further rise in this case will be limited and we can expect a correction. A rebound from first resistance and fall below daily pivot will open way towards next objective at S1. Our analysis is for a bullish trend. Figures about UK retail sales are the first news for today, released at 9:30 a.m. GMT, with a high impact on the sterling. Analysts are expecting stagnation at 0% compared to the previous rise of 0.1%. At 10 a.m. GMT, expect figures about Switzerland's economic expectations, which fell last month to 42.5 points, indicating pessimism. Also, it will have a medium impact on the franc. Next at 1:30 p.m. GMT, Census Bureau is going to publish numbers about U.S. building permits. Previous figures showed a slight decline, but today it is expected to rise by 770,000 permits compared to the previous of 760,000. Also at 1:30 p.m. GMT, Department of Labor is going to report weekly data about U.S. unemployment claims. Deterioration is expected from 361,000 to an additional 4,000 people at 365,000. Last news for today will concern about Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, which will be released at 3 p.m. GMT. Analysts are expecting improvement from minus 12.9 to minus 4.7 points, but is still favoring worsening conditions. Moreover, all three news will have a high impact on the dollar. Now let's take a look at our summary of the best traders and strategies here at Axiory. Teo strategy for Kiwi dollar increased slightly to 749.2 pips. Also, the second Teo strategy for Aussie yen has risen and reached 414.6 pips, and Sphinx in third position was replaced by APS GTS 1, which rose 517.7 pips. Low risk invest and India Rose strategy multi-trader hasn't changed since yesterday, but FX multiplayer declined by almost 1%. And last trade leaders platform, there was no increase or loss since yesterday, and LW Trading remains first, followed by Joining Jang and TK Trading. And on this date in 1981, the highest score in a World Cup soccer match was made. New Zealand 13, Fiji 0. Thanks for watching our broadcast. See you tomorrow.